think that head is a little bit low? Show you top of the curves right here. There you go. Yep, that one probably was not popping up very much, if at all. And they've already got a few extensions on it, just fixed riser. Really the best way to bring this one up, since this pipe is so low, is to use a swing joint. Some swing pipe, make your own swing joint, or use a prefab. Get that head up back to where it needs to be. All right, there we go. It's a lot better way. Got a 12-inch swing joint by Hunter. Now we can go up or down and get it right at the right level that we need it to. And here in Texas, you got to be 4 inches from the curb, and you're eating hard surface, so you know it's pretty close to your hand, maybe a little bit more. So sitting about right there, put some dirt around it, you're good to go.